Whoa! Fingers up, this is a fucking great loser! Boom. So, basically I'm trying to make my own sound alerts for the stream. Right, I'll get Cubase open up, shall we? Having a little daft mess about with some sound alerts.
Hello! Wow!
Oh. Thank you for the follow. Thank you for the follow. See how we get on anyways. But it's gonna sound fucking fat. Right, drums. Right, okay, so we start with like a turn it all up. So the that's too fucking deathcore. Fucking there we go. That's the sort of speed we want. I missed a cymbal hit there. Just a nice, simple fucking blast of metal. Something like that. Something like that. Let's try that. How did that sound? How did that sound? Right. I think that its guitar's done. I'm really not looking forward to screaming. Cool. Screamy. No, screamo. Why am I allowing this to fucking happen? Because I'm a fucking idiot. Screamo. Thank you for the follow! Thank you for the follow! Look at the size of the waveforms there. That was going on. Fucking hell, I need to turn that down. Thank you for the follow! That actually sounds sick. Bit of fucking some sort of... My neighbours are probably thinking, is he alright? Is he dying? Do I need to call an ambulance or police? Thank you for the follow! I think that'll do. So, I guess next will be to do a sub one. Let's do something different. Let's do something different for the subscriber when I get a sub. Use the capo. Kind of like a Black Album Metallica sort of vibe with a hint of Journey. Really open hi-hat. Hi-hat? Hi-hat. Fuck, that messed that up, didn't I? You are a legend! I think that was fine. Thank you for the subscribe! You are a legend! Fuck 6. Thank you for the subscribe! You are a legend! You know what? That actually sounded to my ears, that sounded okay. Fucking heck.
Thank you for the subscribe. You are a legend.
I'm gonna harmonise on the scribe and you are a legend. You are a legend. Scribe.
Thank you for the subscribe.
Fucking hell. Oh no, no, no.
Subscribe.
I'm gonna blow my fucking voice off and I'm gonna sound like this for the rest of my life.
Thank you for the subscribe. You are a legend.
Yeah. Yeah. I think that's it. I want some sort of, like, a phaser or a flanger, maybe chorus. Let's try that.
You are a legend. Thank you for the subscribe. You are a legend.
Yeah, so we'll need one for a raid. And we'll need one for bits. Thank you for the bits, baby. Yeah, I appreciate it. Come on, give me more bitty. Hey, whoa, thank you for the bits. Hey, whoa, thank you for the bits. Master Dan, he thanks you for the bits. Thank you. What the fuck am I doing here? So if I put in some like hey in it in the background, that should be it. Let's see what we can come up with. Okay, let's record. Hey, whoa, thank you for the bits. Yeah, hey, whoa, thank you for the bits. Master Dan, he thanks you for the bits. Thank you. Hey, whoa, thank you for the bits. Yeah, hey, whoa, thank you for the bits. Master Dan, he thanks you for the bits. Yeah. We're having that. That's what we're having. That is the bits. We need some China. Dun 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 dun. There we go. That's what we got. I'll show you the song that I'm getting reference for. There's a band called Pain of Truth. And like the intro is just like, it's so like hard. It's hilarious.
Yo, represent LIYC, motherfucker! You know what time it is, motherfucker! TK, 302, fuck you! It's your country! I got pride! Whoa, fucking whoa!
That's what I'm going for. I just feel awkward when I'm about to do it, so I keep on like breathing in and be like, ah! You know what I mean? I just find it hilarious that I'm doing it because I never do vocals ever. Let's go. Let's record.
Yo, what the fuck is up? This is a fucking raid, loser! Yeah! Meso Dan 92! Harley represent! Motherfucker! It's a raid!
Something like that.
Yo, what the fuck is up? This is a fucking raid, loser! Yeah! Meso Dan 92! Harley represent! Good raid, loser! Oh shit! Yeah!
Look at all these fucking people!
Represent.
Oh my god!
That's a
Yeah! Can't really hear because there's other stuff going on top.
fucking great loser! Oh shit! Yeah! Special damage!
I sound so angry. Maybe I should be a hardcore frontman.
Look at all these people! Represent!
Let's go.
Yo, what the fuck is up? This is a fucking great loser! Oh shit! Yeah! Special damage! Look at all these people! Harlequin represent! Oh my god! That's a
Hartlepool represent.
Oh my god! That's a
Cool. Right, let's see what we got then. There we go. We got the follower.
Thank you for the subscribe! You are a legend!
Hey, whoa, thank you for the bits. Yeah, hey, whoa, thank you for the bits. Master Dan, he thanks you for the bits.
Yeah!
Fucking hell.
Yo, what the fuck is up? This is a fucking great loser! Oh shit! Yeah! Special damage! Look at all these people! Harlequin represent! Oh my god! That's a
Yes!
Oh shit! Yeah!
Right, okay. We're calling it. We are.
Yo, what the fuck is up? This is a fucking great loser! Oh shit! Yeah! Special damage! Look at all these people!